too. So. Hello, Dr. Bailey.
Hi, Faison. So if you spell this next word correctly, we will declare you the champion of the historic 100th year of the Scripps National Spelling Bee. Now, let's all of us take a deep breath.
Yes.
And
That did not help at all.
Bro.
Then smile.
Well, a certain pacing would help to follow.
Yeah.
Okay. Your word is éclaircissement.
Éclaircissement. E-C-L-A-I-R-C-I-S-S-E-M-E-N-T. Éclaircissement.
That is correct.
Congratulations, Faison Zaki. You are the 2025 Scripps National Spelling Bee champion.
Somebody peel him off the floor. We have a winner, a champion, and Scripps CEO Adam Simpson will now present the trophy to Faison.
Faison Zaki, you are the 2025 Scripps National Spelling Bee champion. And on behalf of the EW Scripps Company, I'm pleased, really pleased to present you with the Scripps Cup. Oh, no, bruh, you gave us quite a heart attack there a couple times, Faison. How are you feeling right now?
I don't even know. I don't know what to say. I'm just really happy.
I mean, after last year being the runner-up, what was running through your mind as you were in those final rounds?
I was just ready to get it over with. I definitely wasn't expecting this, though.
Well, you certainly answered with confidence. Mom and Dad, why don't you come on up here?
Congratulations, Faison Zaki. You are the 2025 Scripps National Spelling Bee champion.